Today's message. Machiavelli once wrote that wisdom often seems like withdrawal to those that don't understand its purpose. What he meant by that is everyone should go through a rebuilding phase, a phase in which you work on things that matter to you, things that are going to better you and your family for the long term. Now, for that, you have to withdraw. At least that's the best way to dive in. So when you withdraw, a lot of times the people around you don't understand it. They think you've cut them off or you're mad at them or something, when you're really just working on yourself. You're retreating so that you can come back the best version that there is. Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to another episode of Grow Rich, Grow Happy, that place where we follow the breadcrumbs of wealth. Guys, this is a part 2 to the last video I did on the Zebec staking app. Those of you who caught that video, I'll flash it up here. Make sure you watch it. Even though it didn't work, it does go through the details of how you connect a wallet to it, whether it's a trust wallet, MetaMask, or something like that. Well, I checked today and it is recognizing my Zebec tokens. So what I am going to do in this episode, I am going to show you guys how to stake. This is a tutorial on how you can stake and all of that good stuff over on the Zebec SuperApp. But before we do that, guys, I want you to do me a favor, smash that like button, give me a sub, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of these videos. And make sure you share this content, guys, to get a lot of views. Tell your friends, families, subscribe to the channel. We're on a mission here, but not only are we on a wealth mission, we're on a mission of bettering ourselves. Also, I want to shout out to everyone who picked up a ZBCN Tangent wallet. They are officially sold out. So that is awesome. And I'm pretty sure they'll be shipping soon. I cannot wait to get mine. I will be showing it off here on this channel. Now, just because you didn't get a wallet and doesn't mean anything, especially if you don't have a Tangent wallet. I go with Tangent because this has never let me down. They're very responsive if you have any issues, and you rarely have any issues, but that is the best way to safeguard your crypto. So just because you didn't get a ZBCN wallet don't mean you can't get a Tangent wallet the same. Like I said, I already had some and I wanted another one because I wanted the one that was labeled ZBCN. Okay. Also, make sure, guys, next Wednesday, March 4th, I will be on the Zebec Nation podcast. Make sure you go over to Zebec Nation podcast over on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. I will be hanging out with the gang over there next Wednesday. So I look forward to chopping that up and just talking everything Zebec and ZBCN. All right. Now, with that, I want to jump over here. We're going to jump over here, guys, because I was checking out Zebec. I shared this today. They say the super app is live. Here's what's next. Mid-March, we're going to get the mobile app. I know a lot of you are waiting for that. I am too. Then you'll be able to connect and earn. End of March, the Enterprise Edition roll out. This is what everyone is waiting for. This is what is going to bump the price of Zebec up once these retailers, or not the retailers, but these enterprise clients come in and they use it to stream pay. That's where the money is going to come from. Spring, you got the white label for ecosystems. Guys, these are all the things that's going to pump our bags. And they said, stay tuned for the next spaces as we dive deeper into all things super app. I cannot wait for that. Guys, here's a close up. So we got the super app that launched already. We got mid-March. We got the mobile coming. Then you got Connect and Earn on the mid-March for the eSIM rewards unleashed. So this is going to be good. End of March, you got the enterprise rollout, client-led Web 2 connected. Then you got over here continuous white label projects or products for ecosystems, employer ready white label. So the combination of all these things right here, guys, is how we're going to reach the millions when it comes to ZBCN. I want to shout out to everybody who did comment down below in both of the last videos saying how much it's going to take you to make your first million in Zebec. What price is it going to have to hit? For those of you that didn't partake, you have your chance now. Let me know down below. I'll be curious to know where you guys stand. So now we got that. I want to jump over here, and we're going to get over here. And where we at? Okay, guys, here we go with the Super app. Now, we were here before, and if you notice in the last video that I made, it was not showing my Zebec that was in this wallet that I have in this wallet that's hooked up. This is my trust account. So you see, and I ran into another hiccup that I figured out. I believe you have to have some, before you create your vault here, you're going to have to create a vault because you're going to have to deposit. I believe you have to have at least a little bit of Solana in it. I ran into a hiccup, so I put some Solana in my wallet. So you see here, I got $22 worth of Solana. I got my Zebec here, and you see that I'm hooked up to the Super app via the desktop. So I'm going to hit deposit. Okay. It wants me to enter the amount that I'm going to be putting in the vault on the Super app. I'm going to do max. So right here, we got max 144,000 right here. Then you hit deposit. Now, if you notice, it says I have to create a vault. It says your vault securely holds your funds on Solana. This is a one-time setup required before you can deposit. So I hit create because I haven't done this before. Okay. Saying here, if you notice, it says estimated fee 0.001 Solana. Hit confirm. Just like I thought. You have to have some Solana in your account to create the vault so that you can put your crypto in, because it is holding on Solana. I didn't have any Solana at the beginning of this video, so I do now. Okay, so it's deposited. Hit deposit right here. Boom. Okay. Confirm. Okay. Let's see how this works. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you've done this. One Zebec equals 0.002067. Deposit successful. Okay, there we go, guys. We working with fire right now. So from there, then I'm going to go over here to the staking. So I got staking now, right? And I want to do full right here. Guys, this is my first time staking Zebec, and I'm doing it on the Super app. Let your friends know. So I can either do 1 month at a 3% APY. I can do 3 months at a 5% APY, or I could do 6 months at a 7% APY. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, I believe I'm going to go all the way and stake it for 6 months, because what I'm baking into this is the time it's going to take for things to really take off. We're looking here, we're just in February at the making of this video, so that'll put us past summer, put us up in there sometime. I expect things to be really, the partnerships and everything that they're doing, that's when I want to remove get my total rewards, and then I'm going to stake. Let me see. All right. We're staking now. All right. And if you notice again, it's going to cost a little bit of Solana, just a tiny bit, not even enough to put a dent in anything. So you have to have some Solana in the wallet that you're using, guys, and your ZBCN. You have to have the two in there. I hope this is easy for you guys. Staked successfully. There we go, guys. So we are staked. We are staked for 6 months. All right. There we go. Got that stake. Is there anything else? Not that I can see. What's this? Stake your Zebec to earn annual percentage on your holdings. Maximum stake. You can stake up to 5 million. After staking ends, you can manually unstake your funds and earn yield. So when I do unstake it, I will be doing that on this channel so you guys can see it. Again, we jump over here to streaming. There's no new stream for me to create, so we are all good. Now I want to go back to home. As you notice, my vault balance right here is empty now. My asset is no longer in my vault, so it is gone and it is staked, guys. How about that? How about that right there, guys? So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna make this bigger again. All right, guys. So we're looking at the price of Zebec right now, and you know, it's to be expected. It's to be expected. We got a 200 million market cap. Let's see what $100 get us. $100 to get you 48,000 Zebec. Now, so guys, like I said in this video, I wanted to show you guys how to stake, how to hook up to the Zebec SuperApp, and catch that last video I did so you can see how to get in and all of that. All you have to do is go over to zebec.io, and then in the products, you go down to, on the top scroll bar, you go down to the Super app, and make sure you either have some type of wallet so that you can connect to it. There's no way to hook it to your Tangent wallet yet, but I'm pretty sure that'll be coming. I seen people down below also saying in the comments that you hold over on Uphold. I actually have some Zebec over on Uphold as well. And from things I was looking at, could it be a possibility that Uphold allow you to directly link to this? I believe that might be the case. And if so, I will most likely stake the Zebec that I have over on my Uphold wallet, as I have not sent it to my Tangent wallet yet. Again, shout out to all you guys. Make sure that you smash a like on this video. If it was helpful to you, let me know down below. You remember, when you're staking your crypto, you're staking it for passive income. That's how you make money in your sleep. I got 144,000 Zebec that is going to be giving me a 7% APY. That's how you make the money, especially right now during this down period when all of the plumbing is being laid. Stay tuned. My next episode that's coming up after this one is going to be talking about some of the assets that we haven't talked about that you should be paying attention to in this upcoming run here in 2026. So the next one, this is your boy, Zebec to the moon. I'm out.